Welcome to Early Learners, featuring End and Blend CK. CK sounds like Step 4 of Early Learners Phonics, featuring End and Blend CK. CK sounds like Get ready, here we go, featuring End and Blend CK. Duck. D, 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 duck. Okay, this is a wild duck. A duck. Jack. J, a, jack. 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 Okay, this is a jack-o'-lantern. A Halloween jack-o'-lantern. His name is Jack. Tack. A, tack. 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 Okay, this is a box of tacks. A whole box of tacks. Quack. Quack. A, quack. 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 Quick. Quack. I, quick. 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 Okay, this is a fireman and his truck, and a fireman have to move very quick when there is a fire. He has to move quick. So if you are in his way, you have to move over to the side of the road and let him pass because he has to move very quick in order to put out the fire. Kick. I, kick. 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 Okay, this is a soccer player, and you see he kicked the ball with his feet. Kick the ball. Pick. P, I, pick. 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 Okay, you must pick up your trash. See, someone picked up the can off the beach. Pick the can up. Sick. I, sick. 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 Okay, the little girl is sick. She has a temperature, so she has to get her temperature checked to see how much her temperature is. So she is sick. She's like, I don't want this thing in my mouth. I'm so sick. lock. L, a, la, la, lock. Okay, this is a lock used to lock doors, lock lockers. This is a lock. Rock. A, rock. 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 Okay, these are rocks. A lot of little rocks. Luck. L, a, l, l, luck. Okay, this is a field of clover. And you see the little green leaves? Each one has got 3 leaves on it. But now if you look down in it real good and find one with four leaves on it, that's a 4-leaf clover. It will bring you a lot of good luck. You have good luck. Neck. 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 Okay, this is a giraffe. And you see he has a long neck. Giraffe has a long neck. The end. Featuring. Ending blend. CK. CK sounds like